Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Joyce, and in today's video I'm going to show you one of the newest features that Facebook has brought for Facebook groups. And I'm talking about Group Expert. If you haven't heard of it, just stay tuned until the end of the video so you can know what it is and how you can use it within your Facebook groups. Let's get started. If you haven't heard about this new feature that the Facebook groups have, let me tell you that it's really good because it will help the admins to kind of manage this group. Facebook has added this group expert badge and it comes with kind of a benefit. How does this work? What is a Facebook group expert? Let's say you have a fitness group or like a nutrition group, whatever group you may have. If you see that there is a member in your group that often posts things that benefits the group members and also helps answering the questions of the group members, and you think this is a person who is actually experienced on the subject, on the matter, and he will help the group members, you can make it a group expert. How do you do that? Okay, I'm gonna show you that right now on the computer. And also I will show you how it appears on mobile device, on an iPhone in this case, so you can see how to identify this feature in your mobile as well. How will people know if anyone is a group expert? Well, they will have a badge, like on the parents groups that it says like parent of an older kids or young parent, something like that. It will also show under his name and it will show this badge so you can identify them. And according to Facebook, they think that the group expert will help the admins to manage this group better and also to have a better and much valuable content on these Facebook groups. Only the admins can select their group experts and they can select them through the Facebook groups admin tools. The group expert can also do a Q&A posts, share their knowledge on some topics, and also if you are invited as a group expert, you can either accept the invitation or decline the invitation. You don't have to be a group expert if you don't want to. Okay, so now let's go to my computer and see how this will look like from the admin tools and how it will appear within a group if you choose one expert. Okay, I'm gonna share my screen now. Here you can see my Facebook account. I already signed in to Facebook. Now I'm gonna go to my groups and I'm gonna go to Entrepreneur Mommy Community, which is my main group. I'm gonna show you now how it appears on the admin tools to select a group expert. You go and select your group and then you will go and select the badges that you have in settings. So go to settings and here you can see how many badges you have available or enabled, and here you can click on this little pencil right here and you can see the group expert here and you can have it checked or unchecked. So if you decide to disable it, you will be unchecking this feature right here, and I will leave it right now. I'm gonna go ahead and just add a member from my group just for the sake of this video. I will go and select a member from here. In this case, I'm going to select this person. As you can see here, I have this badge right here that it says parent of a young kid. Okay, so I'm gonna select a member here and I'm gonna click on this button right here. I'm not sure why is it gray, but I'm gonna click on it and I'm gonna add it as a group expert. I'm just gonna select this option right here and a request will be sent to this person, and if they accepted the role of the group expert, they will receive a badge next to their name in group discussions. So I'm gonna click on the Add Expert button and it says I've requested Miri to be the group expert. I'm just gonna leave that, and I'm gonna show you how it shows once that somebody has accepted the invitation as a group expert. I'm gonna show you now how you can add a group expert from your mobile. Here on my iPhone, I'm gonna open Facebook, I'm gonna go to my groups, and I'm gonna click on Entrepreneur Mommy Community, and I'm going to select the badge that it's on the upper right corner, and I'm gonna go and click on settings, and I'm gonna show you how it looks. The badges right here is under customize group, then you select badges, and here it is also where you can disable or enable the group expert badge. And now I'm gonna go and select a member right here, and I'm just gonna select the same member. You can also cancel the group expert request, or you can do some other actions from here, but you need to select the member that you want to be a group expert from here. It's really similar from the desktop application right here. According to the Facebook page, this is what it will look like in the group badges. Under the group badges, this person will have the group expert right here, and also when she posts something, she will have this badge under her name, and it will say group expert. However, keep in mind that the group expert is assigned by the admin of this Facebook group. So it doesn't mean that he or she is really an expert on the topic that this Facebook group is about. It just means that for this group admin, this member is an expert. If you as a member think that this group expert is not giving accurate information, you can report it to the admin, but the only person who can remove this group expert badge is the admin. Okay, so if you want to report it, just report it directly to the administrators of this group. So that's it for this video. Let me know in the comments down below what do you think about the group expert feature on the Facebook groups, and if you like it, if you don't like it, or if you wanna know more about it, you have any questions, just let me know in the comments down below. And remember that I have a bunch of videos about Facebook that I will be adding on a Facebook playlist right here, and you can also watch some of those tutorials or videos that I have made about Facebook in my channel. If you're interested in this kind of content of how-to videos about new features from Facebook, WhatsApp, Amazon, or if you have any ideas or suggestions, just let me know in the comments below as well. And consider subscribing because I'm gonna be bringing more content just like this in the near future. Remember that this channel will help you grow personally, professionally, and in your business. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please don't forget to click on the like button and on the subscribe button down below. Thank you so much for watching, and see you the next time. Bye bye.